A handful of species on Earth share a rare and fascinating trait, a menstrual cycle. Humans are part of this exclusive club alongside monkeys, apes, bats, and possibly even elephant shrews. But here's the kicker. We menstruate far more than any other animal. It's messy, nutrient-draining, and often inconvenient. So why has evolution decided to saddle us with this peculiar biological process? To uncover the mystery, we need to zoom in on the very reason we exist: pregnancy. Pregnancy is an extraordinary feat of biology. The body transforms into a nurturing haven, perfectly designed to sustain and grow new life. It's a marvel of evolution, but beneath the beauty lies a hidden conflict. This is not just a harmonious partnership, it's a subtle biological battle. A mother and her fetus don't share the exact same genetic blueprint. The fetus inherits genes from the father as well, and those paternal genes have one goal: extract as many resources as possible from the mother to ensure survival. For the mother, however, survival means balancing resources across all her offspring, past, present, and future. And so, the stage is set for an evolutionary tug-of-war. One of the main players in this battle is the placenta, a remarkable organ created by the fetus to access nutrients from the mother. In most mammals, the placenta is kept behind a barrier of maternal cells, which allows the mother to control the flow of resources. But in humans and a few other species, the placenta takes a more aggressive approach. It penetrates deep into the mother's circulatory system, directly tapping into her blood supply. This gives the fetus the power to influence the mother's body by pumping hormones into her bloodstream. These hormones can keep the mother's arteries open for a constant nutrient flow, increase her blood sugar levels, inflate her blood pressure. While these adaptations are great for the fetus, they come at a cost to the mother. Pregnancy can lead to fatigue, high blood pressure, gestational diabetes, and even life-threatening conditions like preeclampsia. Pregnancy is a risky investment, so it's no surprise that the body evolved ways to screen embryos carefully. This is where menstruation comes into play. It all starts with implantation, the process where an embryo embeds itself into the uterine lining, or endometrium. Over time, the endometrium evolved to make this process intentionally difficult, ensuring only the healthiest embryos could survive. But here's the twist: as the endometrium became more selective, embryos became more invasive. This evolutionary arms race created a system where the body rigorously tests each embryo before it allows pregnancy to proceed. If an embryo fails the test, it could still attempt to attach or partially burrow into the endometrium. These weak or defective embryos can emit hormonal signals that disrupt the mother's tissues, leave her vulnerable to infections, and cause complications even as they die off. To avoid these risks, the body has a radical solution. It removes the entire endometrial lining and starts fresh. This is menstruation. Each month, the uterus sheds its lining, along with any unfertilized eggs or defective embryos. It's a clean slate, one that protects the mother and ensures her body is ready for the next reproductive cycle. While it may seem wasteful, menstruation is a critical safety mechanism. It minimizes the risks of pregnancy and helps ensure that only the healthiest embryos have a chance to grow into a baby. So why do humans menstruate more than other species? The answer lies in our unique reproductive strategy. Unlike most mammals, our placentas are unusually invasive, which makes screening embryos even more important. This intensive process ensures the continuation of the human race, even if it means monthly cycles for billions of women. Menstruation might seem like a nuisance, but it's a biological masterpiece. It's the body's way of managing risks and safeguarding the incredible journey of creating new life. What do you think about this fascinating process? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge about one of the most misunderstood traits in the animal kingdom.